all you wacky fans out there, and it's time to go sailing again.
That's a good intro. Ella, do you have anything to say?
Have fun.
Have fun. We got have fun from Ella. Mom, do you want to say anything?
Yeehaw.
Grayson, words of wisdom?
None at the moment. What was my saying?
That.
I guess we'll do a video whenever we get to the boat or start sailing. Which one?
Go empty.
All right. Later. What's up, wacky fans? Welcome back. This is the second part. We are on the sailboat, and we are currently doing school because we're gonna be missing school on Monday. The beautiful life of being homeschooled. You can do it on a sailboat.
Yeah.
Well, anything you guys want to say?
Doing great, man. Keep it up.
Get to work.
Well, bye guys. All right, guys. So we just anchored up. Dad's up there hanging our anchor ball, correct? Anchor light. Mom's down here cooking. What you cooking, Mom?
Chili dogs.
Chili dogs. We got Ella back there. And we got my tiny little radio playing some Hootie and the Blowfish. Oh yeah, and we're being swarmed by mosquitoes back there. Yeah, but other than that, that's about it.
Hello.
Catch you on the flip side, I guess. Alright guys, welcome back.
Really started that, Robert's
Yep.
and the cheese stuff.
Mother just finished a delicious
It's delicious.
hot dog and chili. I went blank. What is it
Also
called?
known as the chili dog.
Yeah, chili dog.
Cream soda.
We got cream sodas. I'm still eating on mine. And yeah, that's kind of about what's been going on. Catch you on the flip side.
That's my favorite one though.
What?
Do it, please.
No. No.
You guys can't see, but we all just took a picture, and Ella made a face that looks kind of weird.
Your face looks like the screen painting.
Yeah, that was earlier.
That was really weird.
Yeah. Anyway, guys, we are all nestled up in bed. You cannot see us though, because it is so dark. Yeah, we are watching Moana.
Doing great.
Is it done yet? Oh, wait, you can see something.
So close.
No, it's not Mom's toe. That's fun. All right, guys. Catch you on the flip side. Really, that's kind of all that's been going on here.
Night, night.
Night. What's up, guys? We just woke up from sleeping a good sleep, or well, some of us. Apparently, Ella, do you want to tell your little story?
I'm tired.
Okay, I'll tell it for her. I rolled over to the middle of the bed, and she
My butt cheek.
yeah, she also hit her butt on this little pointy thing, which really hurts. Yeah. So I rolled over to the middle. She woke me up, and apparently I said, like, okay, very, like, aggressively.
Fine.
Yeah, I said, fine. I must have been tired because in my head it sounded like I said fine and then just rolled over. Anyway, that's me and Ella's little story. Mom?
Morning.
The camera can see you, right?
Yeah, I can now. You can turn it though. Thank you.
Daddy?
Yo.
It was like right up at my face. He's kind of like, ah. Anyway, guys, that's kind of all that's been going on here. See you on the flip side. Alright, guys, as you can see, there's only 2 slats. I knocked one into the water. While I was coming back from us hoisting down one of the lanterns that we set up there, all the way up there at the top as our anchor light. And Dad, did you just finish some beautiful coffee?
No, not yet. We're just moving. Watch your right hand, your left hand.
Okay.
It's not gonna burn it. Can you hold this up too?
He didn't finish the beautiful coffee, but he's making it. Anyway, yeah. We just finished hoisting a lantern from all the way up there, down there. Dad helped them set right here, and I bumped it off down there. So yeah, that's kind of frustrating. So now we're missing 1 slat, but that's about it. Ella, anything you want to say? Where's the lighter? You can you don't have to whisper, Dad. Should be down here in this.
Another cosmic brownie wrapper, guys.
Man, that's a lot of cosmic brownie.
Yeah, I found a lot of them. Morning.
Anything you want to say, Dad?
Found the lighter.
Can you throw that in the trash can, please?
Well, see you on the flip side, guys. What's up, guys? We're back. There we go. Now you can see all of us. We have left our anchorage, which was, what, like somewhere over there?
2 hours and 20 minutes ago.
2 hours and 20 minutes ago. We left from over there somewhere. Me and Ella have been chilling down here. In our cove.
A mile and a half because we're tacking the whole way.
Yeah, we have to tack the whole way because the wind was not the way it said it was supposed to be. Yeah, they've been up there. No, they haven't. Yeah. Our destination is hey. What do you say?
Don't tell his wife.
Don't tell us.
Thinks he's working. There you go. I said, there you go. Right.
Alright, guys. Sorry, we just fishermen started talking to us. Anyway, our destination is over there. And the wind's coming from that direction. And if you didn't know, sailboats cannot do straight into wind. It actually pushes them backwards. So yeah, we're pretty much just going boom, and then boom, boom, and just doing a little pattern like that. And I have a feeling it's gonna take us a little bit.
Yeah.
Ella, words of wisdom?
My hair's crazy.
Oh wait, that's my thing, isn't it? Yeah. That's all that's been going on here. Huh?
We have to go all the way across to there, turn right there, hopefully the wind settles down, go over here and try to find a dock.
Boom. Boom, 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 boom. Until all the way out there.
Yeah.
So, I don't know if you guys saw that, because like my battery percentage just went down by 10%. So it gave me a little warning. Yeah. Any words you guys want to say? Mom?
I don't have anything.
Well, catch her on the flip side. All right, guys. We have started to pack up. We're running this stuff home, right?
Yeah, so we're running Ella home so she can get ready for gymnastics, and then you and I are going to come back out here and finish packing up the boat.
Yep. And don't we have to make a plexiglass slate?
We do. We need to make some new companionway slats. The captain did a poor job of storage on that, and it got knocked off into the water. So we lost the top slat to our companionway. So we're going to spend the afternoon making one of those too.
Yes, very top one. Anything you want to say? Mom, anything you want to say? No? Well, bye guys.